Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about kernel exploitation in this series. This is part 1. Kernel debugging we have to start with and let's jump into it. So kernel debugging is an essential task for developers and system administrators when diagnosing complex system issue at a very low level. One of the method available to perform kernel debugging is through the use of remote debugging, or you can say the network debugging, when the debugged system communicates with the debugger over a remote machine or over a network. In this series, I'll walk you through how to configure and debug vulnerabilities and exploit kernel step by step. So first of all, we'll go and configure remote debugger using bcedit in command line. Before jumping on bcedit, first we need to install few things. First, the first and topmost thing is WDK. So here you can see, if you directly bing this, then you'll find download the Windows driver kit. And in this driver kit there is step-by-step instruction how you can install WDK. So step 1, install Visual Studio and desktop development with C++, enable these options, and after that just download, install a software development kit, install this, and step 3 will be Windows driver kit, so WDK, and download it and install it and it will work absolutely fine. So I'm not going to walk you through this step because it's really time consuming. I hope if you are learning kernel exploitation, you can do this just simple installation from looking it here. I'll drop the link in the description mm, with this URL. Okay, let's jump on the main tasks. Okay, so first we also need to download WinDbg, OS Loader, and IDA Pro free. You can download this from Hextrace, the IDA version, and OSR Loader. You can go and you can check it out, OSR Loader, and just go here and see download driver loader, this thing. Okay, so this is the version 3.0 XP WinNet Vista, but yeah, it supports Windows 11 as well. Nothing I can see like it's not registering any services or I am facing any issue with that. It's absolutely fine. We'll discuss more about this tool afterwards. First, just you need to just download it, and yep, you are good to go. And WinDbg, you can download it from the Microsoft Windows Store, or uh, you can see the sys internals, Windows debugger. Just type it out and you can just install like this as well. Okay, install Windows debugger. So yeah, go through these steps and you'll get to know. I'll drop the link in the description. Okay, so first of all, you'll go here in computers, go to properties, right click properties, then you can check out advanced system settings and go to environment variable, and here you need to create a new entry, something like that. I already have this entry, then there is no problem for me. Okay, so this is the machine and these are the entries, and you just need to hit OK after this. Okay, these are the directory where all your information about debug directory will be stored. This is it, and this you need to configure first, mainly in your debugger machine. This is the debugging machine, this is the clone one. Okay, first when you set up over here, then just clone it and you'll have this another machine. Okay, so in this debugging machine you need to turn on the remote debugger. So for doing that, you just need to right click on command prompt, run as administrator, click on yes, and use this command bcd edit slash dbg settings net ip. Host ip will be the debugger's window ip, and from here you can go and tell ip config, and you can see here this is the ip address. You can just copy it, paste it over here, and then just select the port. It should be after 50,000, and just go 50,001 to 1. Okay, let's go. Okay, so here we also have the key. Okay, so this key we needed it for in the future, because we want to, you know, upgrade configuration in WinDbg in the debugger system. So go to kernel debug, and here you can see the port number is 50,000. You can just go ahead and copy it out, okay, and change the port number to 50,001 and paste it and press ok, waiting to reconnect. So yep, yep, that's pretty much it. So also you need to do one more thing over here, bcd edit slash debug on. Okay, so yeah, I think we are good to go now. So what you can do here, you can just go and restart the machine. It will take some time restarting sometimes. Okay, so here, yeah, now we can see the signal. Okay, right, yeah, we got an update. Okay, source location symbol will be stored over here in this directory, symbols directory, and that's it. Yeah, refreshing kd. Now kd connection we have, the kernel debugging connection. So yep, you can see you can run with Windows 11. If you have something specific doing kernel exploitation, you can create an entry like this. We'll do that in future, we'll discuss in detail. First of all, let's jump in Windows 11 directly. It's taking a while. Okay, here, just okay, here you can type your pin. Okay, if you enter over here, okay, this is the thing you will see. It's showing black screen because debugger is also attached. Sometimes it happens with this thing. uh, so yeah, okay, now we can see here. Okay, this is the thing, it's running. So let's test it out, like whether we are have access for breakpoints or not. Okay, so we can do it like, just break it off, and you can see, okay, I can't do anything on this operating system. It's almost freezed. Okay, so now I can see and check all the APIs, kernel calls, everything in the current state of the machine. So now it's in the break position. So let's run one command just to test it out whether everything is fine or not. Right, bang symbol, noisy. Okay, noisy symbol prompt on. Okay, it's working. So now we can also check for another command dot reload. Yep, it's perfect. You can see there is an entry made in the here, and we can see all symbols are being loaded successfully, and here are the details. So as we right now we know, like our kernel debugger is set up. So in the next tutorial we're gonna deep dive, and we'll see like how we can attach IDA, and how can we can see the flow and execution for the next kernel exploitation series. So please comment your questions, and I'll try to answer all of them. Okay, thank you. Let's see you in the next video. Bye.